Whoa, what's up, my people? It's your boy Chris. Happy Monday, y'all. Happy Monday. On the way out, we gotta hit this market right quick. Gotta hit this south. Feel me? You know it's raining out this motherfucker. I'm about to get in this car. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all can hear me and shit. Gotta get up in the whip. Yo, they told us it was gonna rain today and shit, right? But they ain't tell us we was gonna get this heavy of a rain. So, hold on, let me turn this radio off. So, it's good though. Told y'all I was gonna get y'all this car bang. Saying, now let the car warm up a little bit. But they saying I was just finished looking at the, I know I'm skipping over shit. I was just looking at the 12 o'clock news and shit. They changed the weather completely. They said light rain, and then it's supposed to clear up the rest of the week. Now they talking about we supposed to get some motherfucking snow here in Baltimore. Feel me? But it's all good. But I feel as though give y'all a new little serenity. Y'all know the way I'm talking about. Give y'all some new locations and viewing and do some new videos. You feel me? Gotta hit this damn market, making some meatloaf tonight. Dig. This is the first video of the day. This is the first video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, hit that bell. Oh, did I tell y'all? Yo. Yesterday was a good day. I relaxed all day yesterday. Got some rest. Got some quiet time. Ain't nobody bothering me. You know what I mean? I'm saying this so y'all see I ain't lying. We up in the kids off. And I forgot the tripod. I should take y'all in the fucking market with me. We gonna do that before the week over with. So I gotta make sure they don't be on that bullshit. To shake my shit up. But hey, let me go do this so I can get back in the house. Relax for a little while. Might record it when I go pick my niece up from school. I'm not sure yet. Might take y'all. You know what? I'm gonna take y'all with me when I go pick my niece up. So I'm gonna hit y'all back later, alright? Deuces.